Hi, this is the OPPO F19 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to Wi-Fi section. To activate Wi-Fi option or to turn it off, you should click to this Wi-Fi switcher. After that, you'll see here all of the available networks. Select one from the network and here you should enter now your password. Password to this network. After that, tap to OK on the right upper corner, wait a second, and we could see that we're just successfully connected to this network. Also, yet one more way how we could do that, just you should open the control panel and here you'll see the Wi-Fi icon. So to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, you should click to this icon and that's it. And to launch full Wi-Fi settings, to select the network, hold it for a while. You could make it from here or just by tap to more. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.